Are you an artist trying to find the best platform to showcase your work? Today, we're diving into a comparison of Behance, Adobe Portfolio, and ArtStation. Each of these tools helps you display your art, but they have different features and benefits. All three platforms let you create an online portfolio. They're great for sharing your creative projects with the world. You can connect with other artists and potential clients, making it easier to get noticed. Let's start with Behance. This platform is part of the Adobe family. It's known for its community aspect. You can follow other artists, appreciate their work, and get feedback. Behance is perfect for showcasing a variety of creative projects from graphic design to photography. Now, let's talk about Adobe Portfolio. This tool is also linked to Adobe. It allows you to create a personalized website quickly. You can use your Adobe Creative Cloud assets, making it seamless for Adobe users. It's more focused on creating a professional looking site rather than community interaction. Next up is ArtStation. This platform is tailored for artists, especially those in gaming, film, and animation. ArtStation focuses heavily on high quality visuals. It's a great place to find job opportunities in these industries and connect with other professionals. Now, what are the key differences? Behance is community driven, Adobe Portfolio focuses on personal branding, and ArtStation is all about industry connections. When it comes to features, Behance offers project feedback and a vast community. Adobe Portfolio gives you customization options for your site. ArtStation provides job listings and a marketplace for selling art. In terms of pricing, Behance is free, while Adobe Portfolio usually comes with a Creative Cloud subscription. ArtStation has a free version but also offers premium features for a fee. So, who should choose what? If you want community and feedback, go for Behance. If you need a professional site, Adobe Portfolio is your best bet. For industry connections, ArtStation is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.